Gitland. I work for the Space Network Ground Segment Sustainment Project, and I'm the Deputy Project Manager for the technical aspects. I'm going to tell you a little bit about biphase shift key modulation and how it works through our satellite system. We have a message we want to send through the satellite system. So what we'll do is translate that message into digital form, and we can use the ASCII coding scheme to do that. So for example, we want to send a message that consists of the number 9 and the number 7. That could be a count of people, or it could be a measurement of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So what we would do is look up 9 in ASCII, and we would find out that that is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then we would look up the number 7 in ASCII, and that would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So here we can see the digital data stream that represents 9 in ASCII and 7 in ASCII. So that's our message. So now what we want to do is define a function of pi, so we can create a carrier wave that we can take the digital data to use to modulate that carrier wave. And the carrier wave is going to look something like this. That's defined by an equation sign of 2 times pi times time, with time flowing to the right. Okay, so now we have a digital data stream and a carrier wave. What do we do with that? Well, each time we see a transition from a 0 to a 1 or a 1 to a 0 in our bit stream, what we're going to do is add pi to this equation, and it'll result in a new wave. So when we see no change, we're going to keep the original equation, and when we see a change, we're going to add pi to that equation. So what will that do to the sine wave? Well, it will change phase. So we're going to go up and down and up and down, and then as we see a phase change, we're going to flip. So here we can see phase changes when pi was added to our equation. That effectively flips the sine wave. And when that information is transmitted through the satellite system to the ground, the receiver will look for those changes and reconstruct our digital data stream. So in summary, you can see how pi is used in biphase shift key modulation. ESC is using pi for the future of space communications.